Today we shall be knowing first conditional sentence. आज हम फर्स्ट कंडीशनल सेंटेंस के बारे में थोड़ा गौर तलब करेंगे. ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट आवर सेशन एंड whoever is coming, that person, three of you please tell them if this one, yeah, if he is coming. Amit, yeah, good evening dear, good evening. Amit is coming, then if any one of you just make him understand, then that is better, because by waiting we are getting some time and we are not adding this time in the session, that's why. So he will be coming at his exact time, I know. So let's start our session. Okay, today is first conditional. What is it is saying? If plus present simple plus future simple. Remind that, just observe it very clearly. If will be there, if or when will be there, plus present simple plus future simple. This is one structure. Second structure is refers to a situation that is possible or realistic. That means imagination के बेस पर नहीं, जो सच है, जो हो सकता है, जो होने की ये है, मतलब बात हो रही है, वही होगी. ठीक है. So emotional, emotion will not come. There will be possibility, reality should come. So what is the example? If I go to shop, I will buy something. अगर मैं दुकान में जाता हूं तो मैं कुछ खरीदूंगा. मतलब मेरे जाने के पॉसिबिलिटी अगर होगी, अगर मैं जाऊंगा तो ही खरीदूंगा, मेरे जाने के ऊपर निर्भर है. If I go, if I study hard, I will pass my exam. अगर मैं अच्छी तरह से पढ़ता लिखता हूं तो ये पॉसिबल है कि मैं पास भी हो जाऊंगा. So do you have any question regarding this first conditional?
No ma'am. No ma'am.
First conditional, how to make understand, how to give your presentation, that one you just see there. First structure is if plus present simple plus future simple and refers to the realistic possibility. मतलब अगर हो सकता है, possibility means हो सकता है. If I go to shop, I will buy something. If I study hard, I will pass my exams. The structure is, अगर पहला काम हुआ तो ही दूसरा काम होगा, मतलब पहला वाला जो है उसके ऊपर निर्भर है दूसरा काम होगा या नहीं. So just remind that is possible about the second work is possible according to the possibility of the first work. That one you have to remind. One by one tell me the examples. Yeah.
Mama, first sentence is, if you wash your hands, the germs will spread from your hands.
What? Your speaker is not working properly. What to do?
If you wash your hands, the germs will, and then the germs will spread from your hands.
Next.
The next is, if you do the practice of math, you will win the match.
Okay. Next anyone? Tell me. Any one of you tell me. Answer. Two sentences, yes.
My first sentence is, if you do hard work in your life, you achieve your goal. Successful. You achieve your goal.
You will. Second one is future simple. You will achieve your goal.
Achieve your goal successfully.
Okay, next.
Next
you didn't write, I think.
If you build a home for you, and you will take rest in that or live in that. You will live in that.
You didn't write, I think,
If you
Karan.
will
You write some simple sentences, possibilities. It is correct, but first we should start from the simple, easy sentences.
Ma'am, earlier I think we can do, ma'am. We do that. That's all.
Okay, your sentence is correct. But okay, no problem. Next, Harshit, tell me.
Okay, ma'am. My first sentence is, ma'am, if you pass second class, you will refer for third class. And second is, ma'am, if you teach me, I will learn to spoken English.
Both sentences are correct, but first, second class in which subject, in which section, everything. Because second class, third class, these are written in ticket sometimes, in class sometimes. That one you have to mention, you have to complete the sentence, okay? That will be, otherwise you change the sentence and make another one. Okay, Archana ma'am, tell me something.
If I read newspaper, I will have many vocabularies.
Now we shall come on second conditional sentence. In second conditional sentence, you see, if will be there, second conditional past simple, and would will be there, plus verb, that my base form. So refers to a situation that is impossible or unlikely to happen. Would is there, that means the sentence is based on imagination. Second conditional sentences are based on imagination. That means you are thinking like that. It may be possible or may not be possible. Okay? So example, if I own the lottery, I would buy a mansion. अगर मैं एक लॉटरी जीत जाता तो मैं एक घर खरीदता. If I were you, I would quit smoking. अगर मैं तुम्हारी जगह होता तो मैं स्मोकिंग छोड़ देता या छोड़ चुका होता, like that. Okay? Understood? So when there will be would, that is means this is not realistic, that is impossible, that means future, it is the future, unlikely, maybe ये हो सकता था और नहीं भी हो सकता था, like that. Do you have any question regarding this?
No.
So impossible, that means you are thinking like that, that means ख्याली पुलाव. The second conditional sentences are ख्याली पुलाव, that means that are not realistic. अगर मैं तुम्हारी जगह होता तो मैं छोड़ता भी और नहीं छोड़ता भी, like that. अगर मैं लॉटरी जीतता तो मैं घर भी खरीदता या नहीं तो कार भी खरीदता या किसी को दे देता, नहीं तो मैं अपने पास रख देता. ये कोई जरूरी नहीं है कि मैं घर ही खरीदता. ओके, दैट इज द थिंग, दैट इज मतलब एक अंदाजे के साथ बोलना. That is called second conditional sentence. So please, all of you make. If I got 1 lakh rupee
on the road, I would buy 1 lakh toffee by them. Sorry,
I would buy 1 lakh toffees, only up to this much. Buy them, know them, nothing to add here. Okay?
I would buy 1 lakh candies. Okay.
1 lakh candy, no, 1 lakh candies. Okay?
Yeah, candy.
Okay, very good. Candies.
Okay,
because one candy you will be not buying, many candies. Okay, next sentence, tell me.
Okay, next is, if I give him 1 rupee, he would give me a PS5.
If I gave,
Yeah,
that is past simple.
Ma'am, if I gave him 1 rupee, he would give me a PS5.
He would give me. He would give me.
Yeah, ma'am, he would give me.
Yes, a PS5. PS5, what is this?
Ma'am, like PC.
Okay. That is very good.
Controller.
Both the sentences are impossible and unlikely to happen. Very good. Very nice. You have understood the sentence very well. Very good. Very good. Now we have come in the third conditional sentence. What is the structure of this one? If will be there. If or when you can use. Then past perfect. That means past perfect means had done, had gone, had smiled, had run, like that. Okay, past simple, past perfect. Then we have to use would have. That means in here it will come future perfect. Is it past perfect? Then future perfect. Then past participle. Three kinds of
Ma'am, future perfect.
future perfect. Would have. You see would have. Did you see would have?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, then past participle. Three structure will be coming. Four structures are there. Sorry, four structures are there. Third conditional sentence. You have to use if plus past perfect plus would have plus past participle. That is the four structures are there. So, Archana ma'am, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, please note down everything, notice everything, so that whenever I will be asking you something regarding the conditional sentence, you can answer me, so that I can be clear that you have got the point of every aspects. Okay, next. Refers to a past situation that differs from reality. मतलब इस थर्ड कंडीशनल सेंटेंस का एक है जो रियलिटी मतलब जो रियल है, जो सच है, सच्चाई से थोड़ा क्या है, हटके है. ओके, सच्चाई से थोड़ा हटके है. एग्जाम्पल, इफ आई हैड सेव्ड माई मनी आई वुड हैव बॉट ए कार. आप अच्छी तरह से देखो आप लोग सब भी, अगर मैंने पैसे जमा किए होते, मतलब कुछ रुपए मैंने जमा कर लिए होते, सेव कर लिए होते, तो मैं एक कार खरीदता. देखा आपने? तो ये क्या है, एकदम ये क्या है, डिफर्स फ्रॉम रियलिटी. मतलब ये जो सेंटेंस है, ये सेंटेंस मतलब सोचने के, मतलब कंडीशन मीन्स एक थॉट सा चल रहा था मन में मेरे, दैट इज नॉट रिलेटेड टू रियलिटी. मैंने पैसे जमाए होते, थोड़े पैसे सेव कर लिए होते, तो उससे मैंने क्या खरीदते होते, एक कार खरीदे होते. दैट इज द थिंग. नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्पल, इफ यू प्लीज सी, इफ आई हैड स्टडीड आई वुड हैव पास्ड माई एग्जाम. अगर मैं पढ़ाई लिखाई करता तो मैं शायद मेरा एग्जाम पास कर चुका होता. मतलब ये जो टाइम है, ये टाइम क्या हुआ, ऑलरेडी इट्स ओवर टाइम. ये टाइम अभी नहीं है, पर जो टाइम चले जाने के बाद हम जो बोलते हैं ना, अरे ये नहीं हुआ, अगर ये मैं करता तो वो हो जाता, अगर मैं उसे कॉल करता तो वो आ जाता, अगर मैं वहां जाता तो ये मुझे टाइमली बस मिल जाता. तो ये सब काम कहाँ हो रहा है, जब मतलब जब कुछ चीज हमसे छूट जाती है तभी हम ये काम बोलते हैं. ये कुछ बोलते हैं ना कि अरे अच्छा 5 मिनट पहले अगर मैं आ जाता ना तो मुझे ट्रेन मिल जाता. ऐसा है ना, अगर मैं भीड़ में खड़ा होता तो मुझे टिकट शायद जरूर मिल जाती. तो हम ऐसे बोलते हैं ना, तो ऐसे बोलते हुए इंग्लिश में कैसे बोलते हैं, that is the third conditional sentence. You have to not only think of the only time, one time form. Here is time form is past perfect, then future perfect, all the things, future perfect and past perfect, both the things are given in third conditional sentence. तो ये मीन्स क्या हुआ, जो बीत गई है, जो हुआ नहीं है उसके बारे में बोला गया है. that is differ from reality. That means reality हो सकता था अगर मैं करता, पर reality हुआ नहीं क्योंकि मैंने ऐसा किया नहीं है. That is the thing. If I had saved my money, I would have bought a car. If I had drank the tea, I would have got the taste of tea. मतलब चाय मैंने पिया नहीं, चाय पीने के लिए आप चाय पियोगे, तो मैंने कहा नहीं नहीं पीऊंगा नहीं पीऊंगा नहीं। तो क्या बोला इसके बाद मैंने क्या बोला, अरे क्यों मैंने ना बोला, मन ही मन बोला, मैंने ना क्यों बोला, हाँ बोल देता तो मैं चाय की टेस्ट थोड़ा ले लेता। हम शर्मा के ना बोलते हैं ना, sometimes no we don't take, sometimes we say, but in the mind we are thinking, oh, if I would have told him to make a tea or coffee, that would be nice. That one we are saying. So like this, that means we have done something extra, another thing, but we are thinking in mind that if would have been like that, then would have been happening like that. That is the way. Okay, did you understand? Very good, your sentence is correct. If I had played well, I would have selected
I would have
in the team. Yes, very good, very nice. Next sentence, tell me. Also sentence. If I had obeyed my parents, I would have done good results in exam. Very nice sentence. If I had waited for you more, I would have missed the train. Very good. Next sentence.
And the second one is, if I had found her address, I would have sent her an invitation.
My God, nice sentence.